Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. If you want to pair your watch with your iPhone, you need to make sure that it's discoverable by the other devices. And to do that, if your watch is already set up, and you can basically open the settings, press and hold the middle button to open the settings, then find the option called connectivity, and here make sure that the discovery option is enabled. And if your watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will need to go through the profile setup, because if the watch is brand new, it will basically ask you to set up the profile, and after you set up the profile, it will tell you to pair your watch with a phone, and at that point the watch will be discoverable by the other devices. So if your watch is brand new, go through the setup of the profile until you see the message to pair your watch with a phone, and if it's not new or it's not been reset, you can open the settings, go to connectivity and turn on the discovery then. And once the watch is discoverable, go to the iPhone, your iPhone you want to pair your watch with, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, then open the App Store, tap on search bar and type in SUUNTO with 2 U's. And tap on search and you should see this application. Install it. And after the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app you will need to log in into account. Also, if you see this pop up about the Bluetooth devices, allow it. As you can see, we need to log in with an account, or rather into an account. I already have an account with the email, so I'm gonna use the continue with email, but you can use the Facebook or Apple account if you want to. Now I'm gonna enter my email address. Okay, and then tap on login. And after you log in, you may see more pop-ups about the permissions. I'm gonna not save my password. And if you see this page, tap on continue. Here you can tap on continue, allow the permission for the location. Then we have the notifications permission. And as you can see, we can select the device device type we want to pair with our phone. So tap on watch, it will start searching for nearby watches and should detect our watch. We can tap on pair. Now we need to enter the key from our watch and tap on pair. Allow or deny the permissions for the notifications. And here you have a tutorial how to use the app and watch. I'm gonna skip it. Tap on done. And now you should see your watch right here on the device page. And if you go to your watch, it will have this icon on the watch face, which means it is connecting to a device. Connected. If it's like stays on the watch face, it means that it's connected with your phone. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.